Car Club Motorhead VW. There's the other book. Then we have that oddball Scion thing backing in right now. It requires 2 people to achieve. Dile que meta la cola para allá. There you go. Perfect. Dale, dale, dale. That's good. Little rice rockets, man. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can bring this. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Carbon fiber, ¿verdad? Yeah, carbon fiber. We're gonna see if we can bring it back. It looks kind of shitty because of the sun. Been beating on it. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's look how that carbon fiber part turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm just giving you a rundown on this car. It's a Scion. There we go. Scion. Yeah, it's not a VW. Darn it. There you go. Anyway. The carbon fiber turned out pretty good. Some hazy parts here. There. So figured, another couple of passes and it should be done. But I don't have the time to do it right now, so we'll do it later on. So basically, if your carbon fiber material hasn't hazed too much, you can bring it back with just a rubbing compound and some polish compound with a machine. I would say if it's severely burnt, definitely probably sanded with a 2000 and then bring it back with polish, with a rubbing compound and polish. This thing needs to be sealed with clear coat, otherwise it's just going to turn into a big haze again, and pain in the butt to get it back to shine. So clear it. 5 feet carbon fiber parts. Don't forget to seal them with real clear coat. Don't get that shit from auto parts, spray on, rattle can, clear coats. Don't do that. That is garbage. Waste of time. Get real PPG crap. Crap, yeah. A little bit more, and it should be done. Yep, there it is. This is a supercharged 2.3 liter, I think. There's the intercooler. What it is, I have no idea. All I know it's a Scion. I'm really bad with cars that are not Volkswagens. There you go. Moving on. What? It wasn't on? Don't tell me I wasn't recording.